We all have our bedtime routines, right? They lie there, eyes closed, imagining fluffy white sheep jumping over a fence one by one. It's a classic method, but does it really work for everyone? Others swear by warm milk. The soothing warmth and the slight sweetness can be comforting, almost like a hug in a mug. It's a tradition passed down through generations, believed to help you drift off into a peaceful slumber. Me? I used to watch reruns of my favorite show and hope for the best. The familiar dialogues and scenes were like a lullaby, but sometimes the blue light from the screen would keep me awake longer than I wanted. But lately, I've discovered a secret weapon for a good night's sleep and a healthier me: castor oil. Yes, you heard that right, castor oil. It's not just for your grandmother's medicine cabinet anymore. Now, before you wrinkle your nose and imagine chugging down a bottle of cooking oil, let me explain. Castor oil isn't something you drink. It's something you use in a variety of ways. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for all sorts of ailments. From ancient Egypt to traditional Chinese medicine, this oil has a rich history of healing and wellness. It's like the Swiss Army knife of the natural health world. You can use it for so many things, from skincare to digestive health, and yes, even for better sleep. This isn't just some wacky trend either. People are rediscovering the benefits of castor oil and incorporating it into their daily routines. There's actual science behind it. Studies have shown that castor oil can help with inflammation, improve circulation, and even boost your immune system. So, buckle up as we dive into the wonderful world of castor oil and why you might want to add it to your bedtime routine. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, your skin glowing, and your body thanking you for the extra care. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Whether you use it for a soothing massage, a warm compress, or even as part of your skincare routine, castor oil can be a game changer. So why not give it a try and see the miracles it can bring to your bedtime blues? Castor oil has been around for ages. We're talking ancient Egypt, folks. Legend has it that Cleopatra herself used castor oil for bright, sparkling eyes. But it wasn't just good looks that made castor oil a hit back then. For centuries, people have used it for everything from easing aches and pains to, well, keeping things moving in the digestive department. It's kind of amazing to think that something so simple and natural has stood the test of time. And in a world of fancy creams and expensive treatments, it's refreshing to know that some things never go out of style. Okay, enough history lessons. Let's talk science. Castor oil is packed with ricinoleic acid, a fancy-sounding fatty acid with some impressive health benefits. This magic acid is a powerful anti-inflammatory. That means it can help reduce swelling and pain, which is great news for anyone with achy joints or muscles. But wait, there's more. Castor oil is also known for its antimicrobial properties. It can help fight off bacteria and fungi, making it a natural remedy for skin infections and other pesky problems. Let's talk about beauty benefits, shall we? Castor oil is like a spa day in a bottle for your skin and hair. It's a natural humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture. Say goodbye to dry, flaky skin. Castor oil can help lock in hydration, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. And your hair? Don't even get me started. Castor oil can help promote hair growth, thicken your locks, and add a healthy shine. It's like a miracle treatment without the hefty salon price tag. Castor oil packs, your liver's new best friend. Today we're diving into a natural remedy that has been gaining popularity for its incredible health benefits. Ever heard of a castor oil pack? If not, you're in for a treat. This age-old remedy is making a comeback, and for good reason. No, it's not a new fashion accessory, although it could be. Imagine walking down the street with a castor oil pack as the latest trend. But jokes aside, this simple tool can do wonders for your health. It's actually a simple and effective way to detoxify your liver. The liver is one of the most vital organs in your body, responsible for filtering toxins and aiding in digestion. You basically soak a cloth in castor oil, place it on your abdomen, and apply heat. This process allows the oil to penetrate deeply into your skin, reaching your liver and promoting detoxification. The heat helps the oil penetrate your skin and work its magic on your liver. It's a soothing and relaxing experience that can be done in the comfort of your own home. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ellen, are you suggesting I strap oil to my stomach before bed? It might sound a bit odd at first, but hear me out. And the answer is yes. Yes, I am. This nightly ritual can become a part of your self-care routine, offering numerous benefits beyond liver detoxification. but trust me, it's worth it. Many people report feeling more energized, having better digestion, and even experiencing improved skin health after incorporating castor oil packs into their routine. Your liver will thank you, so why not give it a try? Embrace this natural remedy and discover the benefits for yourself. Your body deserves the best care, and castor oil packs might just be the perfect addition to your wellness journey. Bye-bye constipation. Castor oil gets things moving. Okay, let's talk about the C word, constipation. It's not glamorous, but it's a common problem. And guess what? Castor oil can help with that too. Castor oil is a natural laxative. It works by stimulating muscle contractions in your intestines, which helps to, get things moving along. Now, I'm not saying you should swap your morning coffee for a castor oil smoothie, but if you're struggling with occasional constipation, a small dose of castor oil before bed might be just the ticket. Reducing inflammation and pain with castor oil. Remember that ricinoleic acid we talked about earlier? Well, it's not just good for your skin and hair. It's also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. That means castor oil can help reduce inflammation throughout your body, which can lead to less pain and stiffness. It's especially helpful for joint pain, muscle soreness, and even headaches. So, if you're feeling a little achy after a long day, skip the painkillers and reach for the castor oil instead. Your body will thank you in the morning. How to use castor oil before bed without making a mess. Okay, so you're ready to give castor oil a try? Great, but before you go pouring it all over yourself, let's talk about application. A little goes a long way with castor oil. For topical use, start with a few drops and massage it into your skin or hair. For internal use, a teaspoon is usually enough. You can mix it with juice to make it more palatable. And for those brave souls trying castor oil packs, follow the instructions carefully and maybe wear an old t-shirt you don't mind getting a little oily. Castor oil beauty sleep tips for your nightstand. Ready to turn your bedroom into a castor oil spa? Transform your nightly routine into a luxurious self-care ritual with these simple yet effective tips. Here are a few tips to make the most of your bedtime routine. Hair mask magic. Massage a few drops of castor oil into your scalp and hair before bed. This not only nourishes your hair, but also promotes healthy hair growth. The oil penetrates deep into the hair follicles, providing essential nutrients and moisture. Wrap your hair in a towel and wash it out in the morning for soft, shiny locks. The towel helps to keep the oil in place and prevents it from staining your pillowcase. In the morning, you'll wake up to hair that feels rejuvenated and looks radiant. Hydrate your skin. Apply a thin layer of castor oil to your face and body before bed for intense overnight hydration. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids, which help to lock in moisture and keep your skin feeling soft and supple. It's especially beneficial for dry or flaky skin. Soothe tired eyes. Carefully dab a tiny amount of castor oil under your eyes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can help to calm and soothe the delicate skin around your eyes, making you look more refreshed and awake. Remember, a little goes a long way. You don't need to use a lot of castor oil to see its benefits. Just a few drops can make a big difference. Incorporate these tips into your nightly routine and enjoy the beauty benefits of castor oil while you sleep. Sweet dreams. A word of caution. Start slow and listen to your body. Castor oil is generally safe, but it's always a good idea to start slow and listen to your body. If you're trying it internally for the first time, start with a small dose and see how you feel. And if you experience any adverse reactions, stop using it and talk to your doctor. Remember, everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Wake up feeling like $1,000,000 without the price tag. So there you have it, folks. Castor oil, the ancient remedy that's making a comeback. From glowing skin to a happy gut, this natural wonder oil can do it all. So why not ditch the expensive creams and pills and give castor oil a try? You might just wake up feeling like $1,000,000 without the $1,000,000 price tag. Sweet dreams.